In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Binance P2P merchant. Becoming a merchant on Binance's peer-to-peer platform allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users, offering you a unique and flexible approach to crypto trading. So, let's dive into this comprehensive guide to get you set up and ready to start trading. First things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account. You can do this by visiting the official Binance website or opening the Binance app on your mobile device. If you're new to Binance and don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. Setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. Once you're logged in, the next step is to complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. To do this, head over to your account settings and select the identity verification option. This process will require you to submit some necessary documents, such as a government-issued ID and a selfie. Having your account fully verified is crucial for moving forward with the merchant application, so take the time to ensure everything is properly submitted and approved. Next, let's talk about security. It's important to enable either SMS or email authentication to enhance the security of your Binance account. To set this up, go to the Security Settings section, where you will find the options to enable SMS or email authentication. This added layer of security will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Before applying to become a merchant, you need to deposit a specific amount of USDT into your funding wallet. This step is crucial, as it demonstrates your commitment and capability to trade on the platform. The required deposit amount may vary depending on your region and Binance's current policies, so be sure to check the latest requirements. Having this deposit ready in your funding wallet will allow you to proceed smoothly with the application process. Once the preliminary steps are complete, you can apply to become a merchant. Navigate to the P2P merchant application page on Binance. There, click on the Apply Now button to begin filling out the application form. It's important to provide accurate and thorough information as you complete the form. After reviewing your entries, go ahead and submit your application for Binance's team to review. After submission, the final step is to wait for approval. Binance's P2P team will take some time to review your application thoroughly. You can expect to receive notification regarding the status of your application within 7 to 14 business days. During this period, stay patient and keep an eye on your email or Binance notifications for any updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Binance P2P merchant and engaging in peer-to-peer crypto trading. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.